Generations of Change by Matt Armour. My father was a baillie fair wee place but Capely. He's frocht on the grand a' the days o' his life. By the time he made second, he aye said he reckoned he'd plewed mair nor half o' the East Neuk o' Fife. He feed on at Randerston, Crahill and Clappington, Cambie and Cambo and Begrenny's Hill. At Kingsbarns he was married, at Borehills he's buried, and man, had he lived, he'd be plewing on still. For these days were his days, and these ways were his ways, to follow the plew while his back was still strong. But these days are past, and the time come at last for the weakness of age to make way for the young. I was never plewing, to the sea I was going, to follow the fish and the fisherman's ways. Rain, hail and sunshine, I've watched the long run line. Nae man mair contented his hill working days. I long line the flooding grun, Dutch and the Dogger bank, put the big fish fae the deep devil's hole. I sight rolled off Faroe and Shetland and Iceland, and whither much war than a body could thole. For these days were my days, and these ways were my ways, to follow the fish while my back was still strong. But these days are past, and the time come at last for the weakness of age to make way for the young. My sons, they are grown, and away they have gone, to search for Black Isle neath the far northern seas. Like oilmen they walk, and like Yankees they talk. There's nae much in common tween my sons and me. They've rough-necked on Josephine, Forties and Ninian, Danlin and Claymore and Fisher and Dock. They make fortunes for sure, for on one run ashore they spend mair than I earn for my hale season's work. For these days are their days, these ways are their ways, to ride the rough rigs while their backs are still strong. But these days'll pass, and the time come at last for the weakness of age to make way for the young. My grandsons are growing, to the school they are going, but the long days o' summer they spend here with me. We walk through the warm days, talk of the old ways, the cornfields, the codfish, the land and the sea. We walk through the fields my father once tilled, talk to the old lads that tin sailed with me. Man, it's been awfu' good, I've told them all I could. Oh, the past and the present, what the future might be. For what will be their days, what will be their days, What will they make o' the land, sea and skies? Man, I've seen half a change, but it still feels gey strange. They look at my world through a young laddie's eyes.